Okay, first things first, I'm going to put on my apron. All right, so let's get started with the recipe. I already put on my apron and I'm ready to work. I have this huge metal bowl where I'm going to mix everything in. So first of all, you're going to take your flour, 6 cups of flour. I'm literally tippy-toeing because this bag is taller than myself. To ensure that your measure is precise, make sure you have a butter knife like so that you can, like, you know, slice off the excess when you're collecting it into your cup. See that? So clean. There goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and lastly 6. Next, we're gonna take our instant dry yeast, 3 teaspoons of this. Make sure it's teaspoon, not tablespoon, because one time I put 3 tablespoons. My dough rose to the ceiling, and we don't need that. 1, 2, 3. And you're gonna take half a teaspoon of salt. And put that in. Then we're gonna take half a cup of sugar, add that in. I'm gonna mix everything together. Right here, all the flour and all the yeast and all the sugar is evenly distributed. My dry ingredients are all mixed up already. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my ube flavor. This is what's gonna give, obviously, my ube bread the ube flavor. If you don't have this, then you really can't make ube bread because it'll just be pandesal. So I'm gonna take my water. I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of my ube flavor and mix it with my warm water. Oh look, I'm gonna swatch it. Here's a nice swatch of the ube flavoring. Very pigmented. It's now stuck to my skin. Gonna mix that up. I'm then going to go back to my flour mixture and then kind of make a little hole in the center. So it looks like that. I'm gonna add in my warm milk. I preheated this already before I started filming. And then I'm gonna add in my melted butter. What am I doing? Butter is essential to pandesal because it makes it buttery. I have my 2 beaten eggs already and I'm gonna add it into the mixture as well. Lastly, I'm gonna add in my ube flavoring into the mixture. And I'm just gonna mix it all together so that the solids and liquids can be one. Put it on a clean and dry surface like so that you can start kneading the dough. After kneading for about 10 minutes, this is what my dough looks like. It's ready to be risen. I'm just taking some Pam, spraying it onto my bowl, my ube mixture in. Take some plastic wrap, wrap her, a rag over her, and then I'm gonna let this rest for about an hour or so. OMG, the earliest I've been on a BTS video. I just molded the dough into tiny little balls. They kind of look like giant pieces of boba. It's time for the cheese. The cheese that I will be using is this one. I'm using Eden cheese. You can opt for like regular American cheese and like cheddar cheese and stuff like that, but I really like this cheese. It's time for me to cut the cheese. Not fart. Whoa, she's stuck. I'm gonna cut this in half. Okay, so I have my station ready already. Here is my ube dough and the cheese, and now basically I just have to put 2 and 2 together and we'll have ube cheese pandesal. This, and then kind of like smash it and then roll it so that I'm able to put the cheese in. Whoa. I'm gonna put a little piece of cheese right in the center and then seal everything up. Like so. Make sure that it's sealed well, because if it's not, all the cheese is gonna ooze out. Just gonna coat it. That's my first pandesal. I already have a pan here, and I'm just gonna put it right here. I feel like I'm making dumplings. So I'm done forming all my pandesals and they look like this. While I was making the pandesal, I already preheated my oven to 350 degrees. So what I'm gonna do now is put them in the oven for about 20 minutes or so, and then my pandesal will be done.
Kuya Pupus, kapag tulog ka pa.
It's so ube and so cheesy. It's so ube panda cheesy. There you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed my ube cheese pandesal vlog. I'll see you guys in my next video.